My mother was coming from Zaria to see me at Kaduna because she heard that they were killing officers and everybody. She was there discussing with some people in the public transport, and they happened to be Ukwuani people. So she spoke the language with them. They got to the roadblock. They told everybody to calm down. These two people, husband and wife, were killed. That started my mother's involvement also in the Civil War.
Look at how you wrote it here.
Yeah.
You said on page 27.
Okay.
In the public transport, my mother sat by a couple who were speaking Ukwuani, the language of my father, a language spoken by the people of Ndokwa area of today's Niger Delta area.
Okay.
The couple was shocked to see and hear an Ilorin woman with 3 tribal marks speaking Ukwuani language fluently. They became friendly and chatted away in a bus in which they were traveling. That again was the power of language.
General Alabi Isama is the one you saw here with Sani Abacha when Sani Abacha was Lieutenant Colonel. So whatever the guy shared in this story is genuine and real. Now for an Ukwuani person, Ndi Benyi say Obumpeji ayo nwayo. The worst sort of self-destruction is self-deception. Onye atu onwe nto, egbu onwe onomana. We have been deceiving ourselves with the mindset na ya brondi Igbo. Every minute, Ukwuani is not Igbo. Ukwuani is an ethnic group on its own. Ukwuani is not Igbo. If you listen keenly to what this man shared in the story, you understand. And you might think that what he's saying is an exaggeration, but and that's why I bring his picture for you to know that this man genuinely is a member of Nigerian army during that Biafran war. Go and listen to the entire video and see what he shared. That they see you as an Igbo man. You know, I've established this fact that even when you deny that you are not Igbo, our common enemy knows us as Ndi Igbo. And that is why there's a massacre in Otabono. That is why there's a massacre in Asaba. That is why they kill the people they kill. That is why they kill this Ukwuani husband and wife. Alabi is saying that the mother knows how to speak Ukwuani. And she was this thing with these people in Ukwuani. But when they get to a hold up, during that time of civil war, they bring them out. They see only people they have to kill there are those who are speaking Igbo, and that's the way to identify them. Now you are saying that Ukwuani is similar to Igbo, but they see you as a dialect of Igbo, and they killed you. You might say they are just victim by it is by mistake, but I've said it time without number that your enemy knows you better than you know yourself. That is the worst part of this denial of issue. That's the worst part of this identity crisis. Your enemies know you better than you know yourself. And that's why I say that most of you who knows the truth that you're able to keep denying, it is called self-hate. You hate yourself, thinking you hate others. Because God naturally made you as an Igbo person. I said it time with that number. By choice, so many of us will not even choose Nigeria. By choice, so many of us will not choose Africa. You do not choose your parents. You do not choose your name. You do not choose your language. You do not choose your village. But just based on what people say, Igbo do this, Igbo do that, you buy into those propaganda and you are denying your Igbo heritage. That is where the problem starts from. My village is on Jubo. There's on Ukwuani. There's on Igbo in Enugu State. There's on it as a local government in Ebonyi State. As a local government. You that is saying that Ukwuani, it is not Igbo, that is similar. Show me another place where you have that similarity. Why didn't you have similarity with Urobo that you are close to? So there's so many reasons. I posted a video, I posted a document that shows that we even Delta State recognized as Igbo. I posted that document. You can go and find it out. Where they are showing ethnic group, they will show it. It's high time we understand this, that Ukwuani is a dialect of Igbo group. That's why it's called sub-Igbo group. If they practice Opaluku, you have Unze, you have also, you do Ikenga, you have Ofo. You are even more Igbo than the Igbos in the South, because the Southeastern Igbos have embraced the filtration of other people. The Southeastern region want to belong that like other tribes. That's why they started having kings. But the typical Igbo structure is to have Opaluku, which means Igbo Enweze. I was explaining this to my AIT presenter, that Igbo Enweze does not mean that we don't have king, but Igbo Enweze in the typical essence means that king reach everybody just by age. Kingship reach everybody. Is not in anybody's family presently. If we have 5 families in Ukwuani, the most senior, the eldest become a king. When he died, the next family, the most eldest take over. It's by age grade kingship reach. So when they say that means there is no particular person that can claim to be king, because everybody is titled to be king. Everybody is potential to be king. And that's why we don't bow down to the king. And you, the Ukwuani, has this Opaluku system till date. You are practicing it till date. But yet you are the one denying Igbo. I heard one place say, if I say I'm Ukwuani now, if I say I'm Igbo, it will look as if I came from Southeast. No! You are an Igbo person. That should not be a mindset to be thinking. If I say I'm Igbo now, they will say I come from Southeast. That is the mindset we are giving our enemies, to be thinking that we migrated from Southeast to come and settle down here. And that's why some of them can be claiming that they own our land, that we migrated. This is your ancestral home. This is where you originated from. But just as you are Igbo and the person in Ikwere is Igbo, it's the same thing. And Andoni, your brothers in Ukwuani that are in Bayelsa are Igbos. They never denied it. Why should you deny it? Eh? You know, as a fan Igbo, you know, Igbo, you know, men and Igbo, you know, Igbo as a dialect, you know, Igbo. What we say there? Let us tell ourselves this truth. Anyway, good news. As you can see, more research are going on to make sure that Igbo seaports are open. For Ndi Igbo, please, this is a time you should come back home and invest. I heard that they changed Ozumbadiwe name to Yoruba name. Na Atorogina na Lagos, Natana Igbo. Stop giving excuse. Natana Igbo, come back home and invest. Come back home. I've said the time that come back home and join hands with us who are bringing this idea. We have been pushing this narrative and we're creating this idea to make people understand that we can have a seaport. If seaport has been the problem, come back home. If you're there home, you will follow us to find the solution. It's because you are fine. You feel like less concerned. Why are you people now forcing them to accept you? Come back home and invest. That place where it is say that is a bush in the south is, if you come back home, if you do it well, you will turn to Uno. For all the Ukwuani people that are going to be attending our conference, 29 to 30th, please, it is the hour of Igbo Unification Conference. Make sure you attend. If you have any issues for transportation, indicate and DM us. We will tell you where the bus will station in Ukwuani local government and Ndokwa, and they can pick people and bring them down to Obanam straightforward. For those who want to support and sponsor us, DM please. We still need your finance, even if it's 1,000. I've said it. Your 1,000 can buy 2 people water. Your 1,000 can buy sweet for people to lick. So please, DM us for anything you want to do. If you know you cannot give us money, but you have a product that you can give in exchange, like some people say they want to finance a drink or they want to supply drink for free for us, please do that. You want to be our DJ or musical instrument or even coverage, please do. We appreciate it. Thank you and God bless you. I'm out of here, Joe.
Igbo Igbo Unification Movement in collaboration with the National Social Organization present ọgbakọ Igbo zara Igbo oru na ndịda. Ndị a na-ele anya ya n'ọgbakọ a bụ Igbo Delta State, Igbo Edo State, Igbo Benue, Igbo Kogi, Igbo Bayelsa, Igbo Cross River, Igbo River State, Igbo Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, Abia, and Imo State. Ebe niile ndị Igbo bi na steeti niile dị na Nigeria, anyị na-ene anya na anyị na-ejikọ aka wee kpaa nkata ka o yesi wee gawara Igbo nke ọma. Ebe anyị na-enwe ọgbakọ a bụ na Jesdal Hotel and Suite nke dị n'Ọkpanam by Ọkpanam City Gate. Inwe ajụjụ ọbụla ị ajụ biko kpaa anyị n'ekwentị a 070-356-23645. nwanne m onye nụrụ ya karịa ibie maka na okwu a na-akpọ gbasara Igbo niile ọ maka ọdịnamma ndị Igbo. Nwanne m kara ibe gị o.